Hello, this is question 6B of the 2022-2023 Neco examination. It says the sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter has an angle 120 degree at the center. Calculate the perimeter and the area. Take pi equals 22/7. Now, I've drawn a tentative circle, so let me just label it so that we can get to work. Now, this is 21. They said our radius is 21. And the angle here is 120 degree. Now, for us to get the perimeter, the perimeter, that will give us 2r, that is the 2 radius, plus the length, which is, this is the length, this arc is the length. And to get the length, L equals theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So the perimeter will now become 2r plus our theta is 120 over 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 21. So this becomes 2 into r is 21 plus, if we divide this, so that gives us 1/3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 21 all over 7. So this becomes 42 plus 3 here 1, 3 here 7, 7 here 1, 7 here 7. That is 2 multiplied by 22. So this becomes 42 plus 44. So this becomes 86 centimeter. So the perimeter is 86 centimeter. Now, for the second question, which says the area. Now, the formula for finding the area is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r square. So our theta as given is 120 over 360 multiplied by 22/7 and multiplied by r, which is 21. That's 21 raised to the power of 2. So this becomes 1/3 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21. So 3 here, so it is 7. 7 cancels 7. So we have 22 multiplied by 21, and that gives us 462 centimeter square. So please, the unit is very important. Now, so that is the solution to question 6B of the 2022-2023 Neco examination. It is a series, and for other solution within the series for Neco examination, please check my channel, which is very much available. Till I see you next time, please put your comments and your query and your questions within the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. It is very much available to educate you and to help you to become a better person related to numbers, numeracy, and mathematics. Thank you very much. Till I see you next time. Be good.